You know the Maverick been watching the Jamaican reaction to the ongoing World Cup in Qatar. The place is filled with flags and jerseys of Argentina and Brazil and Germany and even Spain and France. All Croatia flag we see flying high. Yes. I mean, I wonder to myself, is there any other football country anywhere in the world that adopt other football countries in World Cup football like Jamaica? Me not think so. I mean, you see how Jamaicans are passionate about them adopted teams. Even me myself, I'm a born Brazilian. But seriously though, we don't see the loyalty and commitment to Jamaica and the reggae boys that we're seeing for Brazil, Argentina, and Germany right here in Jamaica. I suspect that even if Jamaica was playing in this World Cup, we would still see Brazil and Argentina and German flags flying across the place. Yes. Me not think this happened in any other country. And I am worried because for any nation to make a serious impact in football, fan loyalty is crucial. But in Jamaica right now, football fans have a kind of misplaced loyalty. And we have to fix that. Until then, Brazil, we say Brazil. Brazil, we say Brazil.